We'll guide you through how to reverse a video on CapCut. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on TikTok, and so you want to go and reverse a video. You can make a really cool edit with doing this. So we're going to guide you through it step by step. So you could do this with an existing project, or you may want to go and do it with a new one. It doesn't matter. In this case, I'm going to make a new one. So I'll press new video at the top. Now we need to go and find the video you want to do it with. Now I've got a cool effect I want to do with this. So let me go and find it. It's this video here. Select it and we can add it in. So in this video, you can see I'll scrub through it. I'm pouring water. So this reverse will look really cool because the water will go back in. So I think a cool edit to do is to go and have it playing normally and then go and have it reversed. So select the video and just go and trim it down to what you want it to be. So let me just go and have it so it starts sitting like that. So you don't have to do this, but in this case, I want to duplicate it first. So with it selected, we can scroll along, not far, and press duplicate. So you can see I've now got two of the same clip. As I said, you don't have to do this. Now select the clip you want to go and reverse. And then at the bottom, you can go and scroll along and you scroll basically right to the end. And then you'll go and see the option for reverse next to freeze and mask. Tap on it. You'll go and see the progress. It shouldn't go and take too long. The longer the video is, it will. But you can now see I'll play it back. First of all, I pour it normally. And then in this clip here, you can go and see it basically goes out of the glass. That's it.